find somewhere where you can attach this band. Now you might need to attach it a few times, and there's a certain way to do it for this exercise. I want you to take it and stick it in the other one, so it's like a loop, okay? And then take it again. You got to take it a couple times, round and around, and stick it through here, so we have the right proper resistance, because we're using one arm at a time. We're going to go on the floor. Let's say we're working your right arm. You put your left leg forward and do a lunge. Beautiful. Grab the weight. You want your arm out nice and straight. Shoulders down, chest up. So we're all lined up now. Now we're going to work the upper chest, okay? So you want to blow out, bring your hand up slightly high so it hits that upper chest, keeping your shoulder down though and your chest up. And then come out nice and wide. Your elbow lines up with your shoulder, wrists are straight, elbow is slightly bent though, and then you bring it in and you squeeze that upper chest. Her neck is straight, legs are in 90-degree angles, she's not moving around, her abs are tight. Breathe in on the way down, and then go all the way as much as you can without bringing that shoulder out. The second you bring your shoulder out, it's not going to work your chest anymore. It's going to put pressure on the shoulder. So keep your chest up and drop that shoulder down.